Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors, back over here in Irvine. Remember we got started Saturday morning, worked a half a day, refinishing this Brazilian cherry hardwood floor. I wasn't here yesterday. We made the samples. You've seen those in the video. Guys got here yesterday, got busy. Homeowner came over, chose the color they wanted. They're going to go with that invisible product, the Loba Invisible. Put a little bit of a white tint in it. Keeps the wood looking as almost raw. So let's see what they got done yesterday. Over here they got some work doing on the kitchen. Look at that, boom. We got the downstairs is almost ready. Got to get these edges. Got this room in here, they're taking out some cabinets, so we'll get in here. But look at the difference. So it's what it used to look like, what it's going to look like. Used to look like, what it's going to look like. Right there, so that's the difference. And that Loba Invisible is going to keep it looking as close to this raw wood as we can. Steps are done. People are always asking, Brian, why does it cost so much to refinish the steps? It's all done by hand. Up underneath this little edge here, everything. Getting the edges here. And we are ready. Look at that. What a difference. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's going to be, this lighter color is going to just brighten up the whole room, the whole house. Look at this down here. What a difference. Whew, looking so good. Yeah, these are ready. I'm walking in there, the guys are going to be yelling at me. Hit the edges. Whew. They removed all of this closet. Got the big boy here. This is the big buffing polishing machine. That little small, you've seen the big machine, gets 80% of the floor. Then we get the small edges, and then this bad boy blends everything in. Gets it tabletop smooth. All right. So I'll probably come by tomorrow. They'll be finishing up, and I'll do that last video so you can see it. But honestly, almost what it's going to look like is this. Whew. All right, guys, whatever you're doing, enjoy it.